Contrary to popular belief, CSS is not only used to provide basic style for a web page in order to make it look more attractive. There are plenty of other things that one can do with CSS as well. With the ability to create animations and interactions, CSS along with HTML and JavaScript allow web developers the opportunity to play around and experiment with different methods. It is as if the web browser is like an empty canvas that they can play around with. Featured here are just 15 examples of the cool and creative things that people have built using CSS. From original characters to interesting animations, there's plenty to inspire you to mess around with CSS on your own. Number 1. The Simpsons. Chris Paddle created the members of the Simpsons family using only CSS. He took each character's face, broke it up into smaller shapes, then pieced them back together. He even animated the eyes to breathe some life into the characters. Number 2. Minions with pure CSS. If you can't get over the minion craze, courtesy of the Despicable Me movies, you'll be going bananas for this. Amar Zakaria has created minions using pure CSS. The minions come complete with blinking eyes and a friendly wave. This is another adorable minion done in the style of a drawing crafted from CSS. Number 3. Cheese. It's a simple block of cheese, or is it? Hugo Giraduel created this 3D cheese block using CSS. I don't know about you, but it kind of looks like a certain household item too. Number 4. Single Element CSS Character. Another one of Hugo Giraudal's work. This time, he created an 8-bit character using only one element. Number 5. Smooth iOS Toogle. This toggle button made by Dan Eden was inspired by the iOS 7 toogle. If you try it out for yourself, you'll be able to see how similar this is to the original iOS 7 toogle button. Number 6. Menu Toogle SVG Animation. Take a look at the animations demo, and you will see the smooth transition of the menu shape into another shape. Number 7. Tesla Truck. Do you believe that this shiny Tesla truck is made of just a single div element? Not to mention that it also has great details with the lighting and the front light. Pretty impressive. Number 8. Snow at Night. An animated snowfall. Made with 100 division and CSS animation. It could be a perfect background for your website during the winter season or Christmas. Number 9. CSS Playing Card. A playing card made entirely with just HTML and CSS, even the details like the king's shirt and the body. Number 10. CSS Heart Switch. A switch UI with a heart shape. You could possibly use it to make your website or app look more unconventional. Number 11. CSS Swinging Christmas Tree. What's better than a Christmas tree? A swinging Christmas tree made fully with CSS animation. A perfect decoration for your website during Christmas. Number 12. CSS Camper. If you're not a fan of the Tesla truck, what about this classic VW camper van? Number 13. CSS Square Swirl. With Pug templates, SCSS, precision calculation, we can make this square swirl. Number 14. CSS Multiple Text Shadow. With just CSS we can now also add shadow to text. Not just one but several to make it more alive like below. Number 15. CSS Rolex. Also, it's not made entirely with HTML and CSS. The clock ticking hands are moved with JavaScript. This fancy Rolex watch detail is just fascinating. Let's make worth into this list. Thanks for watching.